Hello, once again we are going to study division of algebraic expression, and we have discussed up to question number 4. Now we are going to discuss question number 5, 6 and 7. So these are the questions we are going to discuss. Hope you have completed up to question number 4, and then these questions are also related to same type, but we'll be discussing some of the questions. So first question is 5 bit 4. 5 bit 4, it is given: divide x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 8 by x square plus 2. So x square plus 2, 5 bit 4, it is given x square plus 2. We have to divide it by x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. We have to divide. What we have to make first? X cube. What is given to us? X square. X square is given to us. If I be multiplying with x, so it will become x cube. So x cube and x into 2 is becoming 2x. So I am keeping here 2x. Here no term of x square is being generated. So again we know the rule that plus will become minus and plus is becoming minus. This and this is getting cancelled. What is remaining from here? 11 minus 2 is 9x. And from here we are getting minus 6x square plus 9x. So again we are able to see that we have to make x square. And what term we have got? X square already we have got. But we have to make minus 6x square. So again we will be multiplying with minus 6. If I am multiplying with minus 6, so it is becoming minus 6x square, and this is 6 into 2. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. So again this term will be getting cancelled. This nothing is there, means 9x will be getting, and from here this minus will become plus. 12 minus 6 is plus 6. So we are getting as a denominator. Now this will remain as a remainder only, because if I will be multiplying anything with this number, if I will be multiplying this with any number, so we will be getting one term of x square. Now this is the thing which is remaining as remainder, because if I will be multiplying with anything, x square term will be coming in the denominator, or here it will be coming. That's why we will be leaving up to here only. So this is 9x plus 6 is remaining remainder. As we are knowing that power is getting reduced, and this is the minimum power which is remaining, and this cannot be cancelled. So this is remainder, 9x plus 6. Okay, now again we'll be discussing the question 6 bit 3 related to division. So this is 6 bit 3, and in this question we'll be discussing that x square minus x, we have to divide it by x square minus x, and 2x cube minus 5x square minus 9x plus 18. So x square is given, we have to make x cube. So we'll be multiplying with x, and here we have to make 2x cube. Means we have, first of all I am writing it as x, and we have to make 2x cube, means I will be multiplying with 2x. So we are getting 2x cube. 2x is multiplied with x square, means we are getting 2x cube, and this 2x into minus x is becoming minus 2x square. So what we are getting from here, this plus will become minus, and this minus will become plus. So this is getting cancelled. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3x square, and this is minus 9x. So from here, as we are able to see that we have to make minus 3x square. What is given to us? X square. If I will be multiplying with minus 3, so it will become minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 3x square, and this is minus 3 into x. Minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x. So we are getting, this term is getting, this is becoming plus this plus is becoming minus. So we are getting minus 9 minus 3x is minus 12x. And what is we are getting from here? Minus 12x and plus 18. So this term we are getting. But we are able to see again that here term of x square is coming. And here what is there? If I will be multiplying anything with this term, so we'll be getting the term of x square in the down. So that's why we'll be keeping it here only. So this is becoming the remainder of this question. So because as we'll be multiplying any with the term with this number, so it will become we'll be getting x square term here. That is not appreciable because we have reduced x cube and x square. So this is remainder. Okay. So this is question number 6 bit 3, and we are getting quotient is equal to 2x minus 3, remainder is minus 12x plus 18. So we have to check also dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we are getting from here, we can multiply 2x minus 3 and x square minus x into 2x minus 3, and this term is remainder is minus 12x plus 18. So this is the remainder. As we'll be multiplying x square with 2x minus 3 and minus x with 2x minus 3, we are getting from here plus minus will become minus 12x, and from here it will become plus 18. So we are getting x into 2 is 2x cube, x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square, and x into 2 is minus 2x square, x into minus 3 is plus 3x minus 12x plus 18. So we are getting 2x cube minus 5x square minus 9x plus 18. So this is the way we are calculating the dividend, which is coming exactly, this is 2x cube minus 5x square minus 9x plus 18, which is equal to dividend. So this is correct because this is coming equal to dividend. Okay. In question number 6 bit 6, 5x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is given, and we have to divide it by 5x minus 3y. This is given to us. Now again we can this term is given. So here it is 5x and we have to make 5x square. Means if I will be multiplying with x, so it will become 5x square. Our first requirement is we have to make the first term as, we have to cancel it, 5x square, and this will become x into minus 3y is becoming minus 3xy. Again we know that we will be changing the sign from here. This is plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. So we are getting, this is getting cancelled. 3xy plus 2xy will become 5xy, and this is minus 3y square. Now what is the requirement? We have to make 5xy. Is it possible to make? We are given 5x. If I will be multiplying with plus y, because we have to make 5xy, so I will be multiplying with plus y. 5x into y is becoming 5xy. So it will become 5xy, and this will become minus 3y into y, become minus 3y square. So we are getting from here, this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. So this is getting cancelled and this is also getting cancelled. So remainder is 0. Now you can calculate accordingly to check the that it is coming equal to dividend or not. That by the same process, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same way that here quotient is x plus y. Divisor is the number by which we are dividing, and dividend is the number which has to be divided, and the remainder is the remainder which is left after division, that is known as remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So you can find, just discussed the question above. So we'll be now moving to question number 7 bit 3. So 7 bit 3. In the question it is given 7 bit 3, x4 plus 2x cube plus x square minus 18x minus 15. It is given x4 plus 2x cube plus x square minus 18x minus 15. So this is given and we have to divide it by x square minus x minus 1. I am arranging according to the power. X square, x to power 1 and x to power 0. X to power 0 is 1. So we have to arrange